Smart Tech and Trade.
Welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is smart way to invest €100.
In this video, I'll show you a smart and beginner-friendly way to invest €100 wisely and start building your financial future. If you want to learn simple investing tips for beginners, make sure to watch till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Tech and Trade for more smart money and tech tips. Many people think you need thousands of pounds to start investing. The truth is even €100 can be the beginning of your investing journey. With the right strategy and passion, small investment can grow over time and help you build financial confidence. In this beginner guide, we'll explore a smart way to invest €100 wisely and start growing for your money. Invest in stock or ETF. One of the most popular ways to invest a small amount of money to through stock of exchange trading funds. Many online platforms allow beginners to buy fractional shares, meaning you don't need a lot of money. ETFs are especially good for beginners because they spread money across multiple company risk compared to investing in just stock. Example idea. Instead of buying a simple company stock, you can invest in a broad market ETF to diversity. Try a micro investing app. Try a micro investing app. Micro investing apps make investing simple and accessible. They allow users to invest a small amount automatically and build portfolio over time. These apps often offers automated investing, beginner-friendly portfolio, low minimum investment, saving amount enter. This can be a great opinion if you want hand-off investing. Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. This is the way. Sometimes the best investment in your own skills. You can use €100 to buy online courses, skill building program, book about business or finance. Learning skill like digital marketing, coding, or graphic designing can increase your potential in the future. Start a small online side hustle. Start a small online side hustle. Instead of traditional investing, you can use €100 to start a small online business. Ideas include creating a small e-commerce store, buying tools for freelancing, starting a YouTube content channel, With creativity, with efforts, and small investment can grow into a long term. Consider cryptocurrency high risk. Consider cryptocurrency high risk. Some beginners choose to invest a small portion of money into cryptocurrency. However, crypto markets are very volatile, so it's important to only invest money you can afford to lose. If you try the option considered in a small experience rather than a other financially smart, starting with €100 making small investing early helps you learn how market work, develop good financial habits, and grow your confidence. Starting your investment journey with €100. But the truth is, even €100 can be the starting point of your financially. The secret is not the amount you can start with, it's how you use it and how consider of over time. Before investing your €100, it's important to ask one question: do you have unexpected expensive like phone, repair, travel, and medical? If you don't have saving yet, consider using part of the €100 as a small amount of saving. Suggest amount to keep as emergency saving for €100. This protects from you selling your investment too early. One of the safest beginner investment strategy is index fund. Track the performance of an entire market. This means your money is spread across many businesses instead of one. Reason beginners prefer index fund. Lower risk compared to individual stock. Long-term growth potential. Very simple strategy. Many successful investors recommend consistent investing into index fund. Every small investment can grow compound return. Another smart strategy is what many investors call the €100 instead of try to make a profit. Your first €100 should be used to learning opportunity with €100 investments. Understanding market movement. How to buy resale investment. Emotional impact on financial decision. Think of your first €100 and financially educate. In real life, you can also divide your €100 using a simple strategy. For example, long-term investment portion. Invest €5 into stable investment like growth opportunity portion. Use €30 for higher growth option like new technology stock. Learning for experiencing portion. Use €20 to explore different investment and understand their market. The balanced approach allows beginners of reduced risk while still the biggest mistake beginners make is thinking €100 is small to matter. But wealth is built through investment consistent. Monthly investment amount to grow wealth through compounding. A small step repeated consistency often. Investing €100 won't make you rich overnight, but it can start a powerful financially growth. The key is to start small businesses, learn continuously, invest consistently. Over time, these small investments can grow into something much bigger. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Smart Tech and Trade for more smart tech and money tips. Thanks for watching and see you the next video.